Hey guys, it's kitty12473 and I'm going to be singing The Blizzard of '89 by the Ready Set featuring Christopher Drew and Katie Groves. So I hope you guys like it. We welcome winter's wind, the colors of our bones. Will you collect me and compound and clear your mind before the ground gets cold? Embers in air, the wind in your hair. If you were a snowflake, and possibly I'd be the same shape as you. Spilled coffee in the mornings, you still adore me. And that's what I love about the cold nights, 'cause your jacket fit me just my size. Oh, baby, love is like the holidays, 'cause everyone's here and this is sincere. Check that list you made for Christmas Day, 'cause I'll be on the rooftop all night giving out gifts to the world, so every boy and girl can feel the way that I do every time I see you. And it's these subtle things that make our spirits warm. It's the comfort of carols sung and ribbons hung and Christmas light on the distant back roads. Embers in air, you know it's so far and so far. It's a test of strength, but all it takes is the moments by your side. Come morning when I wake up, you fix your makeup, lighting the fire up all night. We'll drink hot chocolate and sing inside. Baby, love is like the holidays, 'cause everyone's here and this is sincere. Check that list you made for Christmas Day, 'cause I'll be on the rooftops all night giving out gifts to the world, so every boy and girl feel the way that I do every time I see you. Moving home to the planet west, chasing down a winter wonderland. You take your poinsettia, you tell me what is better, being home than right by your side. I'm driving home, but the ice storm is making this a test of strength. A test was real tonight. The feeling's right, the decorations falling in place. Love is like the holidays, 'cause everyone's here and this is sincere. Check that list you made for Christmas Day, 'cause I'll be on the rooftop all night giving out gifts to the world, so every boy and girl can feel the way that I do every time I see you. Love is like the holiday, this is sincere and this is sincere. Check that list you made for Christmas Day, 'cause I'll be on the rooftops all night giving out gifts to the world, so every boy and girl can feel the way that I do every time I see you. Well, that was me singing The Blizzard of '89 by the Ready Set featuring Never Shut Never and Katie Groves. So I hope you liked it.